Warning! The dyno runs in this video were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of your engine, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see! We entered the stock motor power chase with the expectations of having to replace our engine at the conclusion of our testing. You should share these expectations if pushing the stock motor to these levels.
Try and make all the power I can with the hopes of it staying together.
Does that mean that you're probably gonna blow it up?
Not another question.